What's up guys, Dynamic Tech here and welcome back to another great video. And in this video I'm gonna give you 5 tips which will help you using the latest operating system in the world, Windows 11. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here is tip number 1, which is optimizing your navigation pane. And how to do it? So first let's go to this PC, and here you will see the default settings and themes when you install Windows 11 on your computer, and the changes you have to do is right here. Click on the view option and you will see some options here, and I would recommend you to keep your view on the tiles because it gives you all the details about the files and the applications. And when you change your view to small or medium or large, I'm going to change it to medium, and then you can see my disk sizes are not appearing, and when I change it back to tiles they are appearing. And next we have to enable compact view from right here. So click on it and you will see that the arrows are disappearing from this bar when I keep my mouse away from the menu, and when I go to this menu again the arrows are showing, and keeping away the arrows are fading, which means the files which are not necessary, options which are not necessary, and every single setting will be faded when you don't focus on it. And for the tip number 2, we're gonna enable desktop icons for surely navigate this PC control panel, network files, your user files, and even the recycle bins, because it is already enabled when you install Windows on it, but you don't have all the other icons. So how do we find them? All we have to do is right click anywhere on your screen, and from here you have to choose personalize. Click on that and your settings should appear, and you should head to the personalization section in the settings, and from here you have to go to the themes, then click on themes, and from here you will find an option saying desktop icon settings. Click on it and a new pop-up window will appear, and check mark all the icons from here, and then click on apply and then click on OK, and then you will find all these icons on your desktop. And for the tip number 3, we're gonna set up appearance and performance for the better results of Windows 11. So how do we do it? Simply go to the search bar, and here in the search section type adjust appearance, and you should see the option saying adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear, and from here it is up to you. What do you want to do? If you want to let Windows choose what's best for my computer, then you have to click on this option. If you want to adjust for the best appearance, then click on this option, and if you want to adjust for the best performance, then click on this option. And if you want to change the settings separately, then click on custom and check mark and disable and enable any option from here which you want. And I am personally using let Windows choose what is best for my computer. So Windows take care of all the settings, and that is the deal. So here is tip number 4, optimizing disk drives. I recommend you guys for optimizing your disk drives in nearly my every video, but in Windows 11 we can do it the faster way and the consistent way. So go to this PC, and from here select the drive which you wanna optimize, and here you will see these 3 dots. Click on it and you will see an option appearing for optimize. Click on it and you will be headed to the optimized drives, and from here select any drive you want to optimize, then analyze the data on it, and then optimize it for the full defragmentation. Now it is time for the last and the best tip of the whole video, which is turning on storage sense. So first let me tell you about the storage sense. It is a brand new feature in the Windows 11 which automatically analyzes the data, features, apps and temporary files from your computer and automatically cleans them for the smoothness and better experience. So now we can say that Windows has its own CPU cleaner in Windows 11. So where do we find it? All we have to do is go to the settings, and from the settings we have to go to the system, and from system we should search storage, and here it is. All we have to do is click on the storage, and in the storage you should see storage sense right under the storage management, and it is saying that automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. And let's discover more of storage sense. And as I said before, keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary files and app files, automatic user content cleanup, and more from the OneDrive, as you all can see here. So I would recommend you to enable storage sense, which will automatically keep your computer clean and your experience. So these were the 5 tips which I thought will help you a lot while using Windows 11. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also comment below about your situations, thoughts, and every common problem. See you in the very next video. Till then, have a fantastic day.